Hello, my name is James, and I'm a product specialist at Marin Acura in Corte Madera, California. Today I'm going to show you how to change the keyless lock answer back setting in a 2021 Acura RDX. So, with the touchpad, I am going to select settings, then vehicle. I have to swipe once to go to door setup. And here is where we will find the keyless lock answer back feature. Keyless lock answer back, what it does is when you lock and unlock the vehicle, the exterior lights flash. If you'd like that feature on, we'll select that. And now the setting is saved. That's how you change the keyless lock answer back setting in a 2021 Acura RDX. Thank you for watching and have a nice day now.